Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? SH plus hip plus SH plus 8. Hip, 8. Ship shape. If you could do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome to the start of what we hope will be a great week here on Classic Concentration. It must have been an excruciating weekend for these two because they were with us on Friday. They're both excellent players. They do well in the games, and they are up. They're ready to play. Let me introduce them. The young man on my right who has won about $5,000 is David Terrazas. Welcome back to you, David.
Thank you,
You've
Alex.
got one strike against you, so this first game today is very important. But Dina, your opponent, has one strike against her. Yeah. She has won $11,059. Dina Pacitti, welcome back and good luck. Here we go. First of the prizes we're going to show you in this game.
Astral Crystal's beautifully hand-blown and hand-cut full-lead crystal wine cooler, hawk, and flute glasses in the elegant peerage design, furnished by Astral Crystal. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. The crystal's on the board behind this number, 23. A holiday in Baja, Mexico. A cruise to Baja, Mexico. David gets to go first today.
Okay, let's open up right dead center at number 13.
Oak table collection.
Okay, let's make a match for that oak table under number 4.
No, handcrafted area rug. Let's go to Dina now.
Okay, I want that trip to Mexico. Let's try number 2.
Dinner for 2 at your favorite restaurant.
Wow, that's nice. What about number 20?
Wild card, so the dinner for 2 is a possibility. The other dinner is at number 19, right next to the wild card. 3 panels opening. Go again, Dina.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 7.
Handcrafted area rug.
And number 5?
Number 5, that makes it a... Oh, no, it doesn't. His and her tennis rackets. My mistake. Sorry, David.
Okay, let's get that rug under number 4.
Number 4.
And number 7 for the match on that hand.
All right, I was 1 square off, and so was Dina. Let's take a look now. Pick again.
Okay, let's look for that Baja trip under number 22.
Baja Mexico cruise.
Okay, I'd like that Baja Mexico cruise to be under number 24.
We'd like it to be there, but we have tennis rackets there instead. Dina.
I'd like those tennis rackets. Let's see what's behind number 5, if that was it. And number 24.
5 and 24, yes. We both got excited a few moments ago over 5,
We
thinking
did.
there would be a rug there, but the rackets are good. That's a match for you, and we open the panels. Again.
Number 10.
Diamond and garnet pendant.
Wow, number 11.
No video cassette recorder, also known as your basic VCR.
Okay, let's open up number 16.
Oak table collection.
And was that under number 14?
Oh, no.
Oh,
no.
Well, first
Dina?
I'd like the Baja Mexico cruise for 14. And I think it was 22. Let's
14
hope.
and 22
Yes.
is a match, yes.
Okay.
Prize for the lady, big prize. Open it up. Select again, Dina.
And the oak table was under number 16
Right?
and number 13.
13. David was 1 square away. He made the same mistake you made a while ago with the rug. Missed it by 1, and it counts. The oak table collection panels will swing open, and what do they reveal? Pick again.
Number 17.
Crystal stemware.
Oh. Number 23.
Crystal stemware, yes.
Oh my gosh.
A lot of prizes in Dina's column. She's looking good. Open it up for
I
her.
can only solve it.
Try it again.
I need to see what's behind number 25.
Electric rain.
Ooh, number 15.
Wild card. So the electric rain is a possibility as well. The other one, is at number 12. 3 panels opening for Dina. David trying to psych her out, and Dina's not buying into it. She's concentrating on that puzzle. Make 2 more selections, Dina.
Number 8.
Green take.
And number 21.
Green take. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, she is not to be denied. You want the area rug?
No, I'm going to save my Mexico.
All right. Take a look at the puzzle as these doors open. Pick again. Still a wild card up there. David's going crazy.
Number 9.
Video cassette
and number
recorder.
11.
Video cassette recorder. David may never get back into this game. You want to use the tape?
No, I still...
All right, open it up for her. The pounding you hear, the noise you hear in the background is David going crazy. He's beside himself. He can't figure out what to do. He is hoping Dina will make a mistake. She's got the odds in her favor. There's a wild card on the board. Select, Dina.
Number 1.
Diamond and garnet pendant.
Number 10.
Diamond and garnet pendant. All right, you might as well use the tape now.
Okay, I'll take his rug.
Take his rug. No, it's natural. All right, we'll open these 2 doors for you. The pendant goes up, and then we'll show you 3, 6, and 18. The red tape will do you no good because he has no prizes. You've got all of the prizes, Dina, but to win them, you must solve the puzzle. Take a look. Oh, Dina.
Oh, God.
So
Come as you are party.
Is it Come As You Are party? Well, we've got the agony of defeat and the ecstasy of victory right here. Dina, you had everything. The game belonged to you. I'm sorry it didn't work out. David, come on to the board. You were great. That's all right. Just be thankful that you won the game.
Okay, you have the comb of the rooster or the chicken. You've got the ass. You come as you are plus the part and the T down here, the golf tee. Come as you are party.
The Come As You Are party, and David has been invited, and Dina isn't going to make it. And Dina, every prize in that game was in your column. I'm sorry it didn't work out better for you. However, let's not feel too sorry for Dina Pacitti. She's got a holiday in the Caribbean, ladies and gentlemen, another one in New Orleans. She's got some cash and some prizes totaling $11,059. You're a great player, Dina. Take care. Well, we don't have to listen to Gene right now because there were no prizes in your column. However, you have earned another shot at the cars when we come back.
Now, the price...
Excited, but he gets a chance to play for the cars. 15 numbered squares, 40 seconds on the clock. Good luck, David. Go to work.
3, 6, 9, 12,
No.
2, 5,
No.
8, 11,
No.
1, 9,
No.
1, 12,
Yes.
4, 8,
No.
4, 9,
No.
7, 6,
No. Yes.
10, 3,
Yep.
13, 9,
No.
2, 13,
No.
2, 14,
No.
8, 14.
Strange. On Friday, you were just gung-ho going through that like a house on fire. And today you were very, very deliberate about all of your selections. You've changed your style a bit. Didn't work as well for you, but that's okay. You're going to play again, and you've won close to $5,000 in prizes. And another game, and a new player right after this. We have had some marvelous games this week and last week, and now we are delighted to welcome this newcomer to our program. Pretty lady's name is Stephanie Schnabel or Schnabel?
Schnabel.
Schnabel. Hello, Stephanie.
Pleasure
Where are
to
you
meet
from?
I'm currently living in Manhattan Beach, California. I'm originally from New York City.
Uh-huh. That's not a wedding ring I
No,
see there.
definitely
Is there a
not.
man in your life right now?
No.
No? What
Not
are you doing
one.
down here?
I'm working as management consultant for the past few years and heading to business school in fall.
Where are you going to go to business school?
Someplace in the Northeast. It's going to be tough to leave the sun of Southern California.
You like
but
it down here, huh?
But I have a lot
It
of
really
friends
does
who
get to you after a while.
Yes,
It's
it does.
nice. All right, take a look over here. You will enjoy winning this prize if you take the game.
Part of Adler and Company's diamond jewelry collection, an elegant diamond bracelet crafted in 14-karat gold. This bracelet features 36 points of sparkling diamonds, captivating any woman's dreams. Furnished by Adler and Company.
Let's take a look and show our players where we have the diamond bracelet on the board at number 11. We also have the bonus seconds in this game. We have $700 in the cash pot. We have a holiday in New York, and Stephanie might not enjoy winning that. Although, if you're going back to study in the East, you could use our tickets
All
to pay
contributions
for your
readily
win.
accepted,
You bet.
right?
You get the pick first.
Okay,
Only one wild card, by the way.
Okay, I'd like to start with lucky number 13.
Motorcycle.
4.
35mm
Okay.
camera package. David?
Okay, Alex, let's see what's under number 17. 19.
Green take. No match. Stephanie?
Okay, let's try number 12.
New York.
New York. Let's look for the match under number 4.
See if we can make it New York, New York. No, it's New York 35mm camera.
How about that New York trip under number 14?
No, camera.
Okay, I know where the camera is under number 4.
Number 4 is right. The first match is going to David. He's experienced. He knows what to do with it, but I bet you he can't solve the puzzle looking at this.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la.
Is it do, re, mi, fa, sol, la?
Well, we tried.
Probably if you had added ti-do,
Tito might have been there.
might have been a winner. Pick again.
25.
Cash pot.
22.
New York.
Please.
You may not get a chance for New York. Stephanie.
Hopefully not. Let's look under number 12. And match under number 22.
There is a match. New York, New York. Same column. Good prize. And Stephanie gets a look at the puzzle. Pick again.
Okay, let's try number 1. Cash pot.
pot.
Let's look for a match under number 25.
Cash pot. Stephanie may be new to our program, but she has seen the show before. She knows how to play. She knows how to make matches. Open it up. Let's see if she knows how to solve puzzles. $15. 5 bonus car seconds.
Wouldn't mind that at all. Hopefully I'll get to use it. Let's check number 16.
Wild card, the only one in this game.
Right!
The other bonus seconds are at number 18, and that means another prize in Stephanie's column. Another look at the puzzle. 3 more doors opening up for her benefit. $21. 24. No match. Red take. Sofa, isn't that capital of an Eastern European country? No, it's Sofia. David, select.
Let's look under number 3.
Motorcycle.
The motorcycle's dead center at number 13.
13, yes. Do you ride a motorcycle?
Yes, I do.
You do?
Yes, I do. Oh, I know how.
You know how?
yes.
You don't own a motorcycle?
No, I don't own a
When
motorcycle.
you ride a motorcycle, do you wear your helmet?
Of course, always.
Okay. What size motorbike have you been riding?
650s, 1,000.
Ooh, those are big bikes.
Yeah.
Big bikes. Well, you're big and strong, so you can handle
Thank
it.
you.
Let's open these 2 panels for David.
$10.
Diamond bracelet.
And the match for that diamond bracelet under number 11.
11 for the diamond bracelet. That is correct. David doesn't want to lose this game, folks. If he loses this
not at
game,
all.
he leaves the show. As you notice, he's got 1 strike against him. So it's important for him, more important than it is for Stephanie. 2 panels will swing open for him. Shadow boxing up here and not coming up with a solution, so he gets to pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 6.
Shelving system.
The match for that shelving system under number 9.
No. Green take. Stephanie?
Okay, let's look under number 19.
Green take.
Okay, and match for that under number 9.
You are right. Green take. She's got the diamond bracelet. I would mention the motorcycle. Somehow I don't feel you're into motorcycles.
How'd you guess?
You might be into a 35mm camera outfit. Or you might want to save it.
I think I'm going to save it for now.
All right.
Okay.
Camera.
Hang on. She is saving it. She wants to protect the prizes she's got. That holiday looks pretty good, and $700 in the cash pot, and the bonus seconds. All of them in her column. All of those hers to enjoy if she solves the puzzle. Can Stephanie do it now?
Not low and empty.
Is it not low and empty? No.
Okay.
Pick again.
Let's try number 23.
Choose 10 of your favorite novels.
I don't think we've seen number 7 yet.
Choose 10 of your favorite novels. We have now. Well, have you made enough progress to use the tape, you feel?
Sure. Let's try for the diamond bracelet.
All right. Diamond bracelet coming Stephanie's way. Open the panels and see if she can solve the puzzle now.
Mound low, empty.
Mound low, empty. No. Pick again.
Okay, let's try number 24.
Red take.
What about number 5?
His and her perfume and cologne. David?
Okay, the perfume is under number 17,
Right.
and the match for that under number 5.
You are correct. A little prize going up in your column, but an important one. It enables you to try to solve the puzzle. Can you do it, David? Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 2.
Shelving system.
And the match for that shelving system under number 6.
Shelving system there, yes. Open these panels for David. Pick again. Oh, you won't get a chance. We're going to help you out by revealing the rest of the puzzle. Remember, you can ring in after we have revealed the first square. And we're starting off with number 8. Number 20, 21, and 24. All right, I'm going to assist you in solving this puzzle. Remember, you can ring in when the green light goes on. The first symbol is hey, and as you know, that can be A or A. And we put that with low and N for alone. Alone. Now, Stephanie.
A lone body.
Is it a lone body? No, it is not. David, can you solve the puzzle? You can't. Hands on your signaling buttons again. I'm going to get to the second line. Who is it in mythology who holds up the earth? Is it Stephanie?
Alone Hercules T.
Is it alone Hercules T? No, it is not. David, can you come up with a solution? Think of a geography. Stephanie.
Alone Atlas T.
Is it alone Atlas T? No. David? It looks as if I'm going to have to give it to you. That is Atlas. David.
Alone Atlas T?
Is it alone Atlas T? No, it is not. Stephanie, are we going to give Stephanie a chance now?
Alone at last.
Are we giving Stephanie a chance, or are we? We are?
Yeah.
We are indeed. All right. Everyone had an equal opportunity. Alone at last. Alone at last. You guys are so mystified by that.
It's a lot easier on television. Okay, we start with the hey plus the lone, low, and the N for alone. Atlas for at last, and the T for alone at last.
I like better alone Hercules T, but it worked out for you, David. It didn't work out for you, but you do have that Hawaiian holiday and a total of close to $5,000 in prizes. You're a great player.
Thank you,
David.
Thank you.
All right, Stephanie, you've got some prizes. Here they are, G.
A cash pot worth $700. Choose 10 of your favorite novels and New York. We'll fly you on a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to New York. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding a while in flight. Experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 4 nights at the Drake Hotel. Gracious Swiss hospitality prevails in an ambiance of intimacy and elegance, bringing the finest touches of European savoir-faire to the heart of Manhattan. Furnished by Swiss Hotel New York, the Drake Hotel, and of course the beautiful diamond bracelet and the 5 bonus car seconds. A prize package worth $5,205.
All right, break time for us. We're back after this. Strange game to win, but that's all behind Stephanie right now as she gets to play for the cars. 15 numbered squares. Base time is 35 seconds, but you got the bonus, so you're up to 40. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2.
Nope.
3, 6.
Nope.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
No.
7, 6.
No.
9, 12.
No.
2, 12.
No.
2, 7.
Yes.
10, 11.
No.
10, 6.
No.
13-14.
No.
14-9.
Yes.
12-15.
No.
15-3.
No.
1-15.
Yes.
4-5.
No.
4-12.
Didn't work for you, but you've got $5,200 in prizes, and that's good going. Break time for us, Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Pierre Cardin Couture, classic leather strap watch designed with Swiss accuracy, thin case for comfort, available in ladies or men's, furnished by Pierre Cardin Couture. We'll be back with Classic Concentration in just a moment. This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production. Due to a production problem, the card game was replaced.